welcome to all of you. I hope you will enjoy in my quiz show. You have seen three rounds: MCQ round, visual round, and mixed face round. This time I am going to tell you some soundtrack and that will be played and you have to answer according to the question. So let's begin and let's start for audio round. Now I am going to play an audio. Then let's start for the audio round. That is first audio I am going to play.
हमारे इतिहास के इस अहम मौके पर जब वर्षों के संघर्ष और जद्दोजहद के बाद हम अपने देश के शासन की बागडोर अपने हाथों में लेने जा रहे हैं, हमें उस परमपिता परमात्मा को याद करना चाहिए जो मनुष्यों और देशों के भाग्य को बनाता है। उन अनेकानेक ज्ञात और अज्ञात, जाने और अनजाने पुरुषों और स्त्रियों के प्रति हम श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करें, जिन्होंने इस दिन की प्राप्ति के लिए अपने प्राण न्यौछावर कर दिए। हंसते हंसते फांसी की तख्तियों पर चढ़ गए, गोलियों के शिकार बन गए, जिन्होंने जेल खानों और काला पानी के टापू में घुल घुल कर अपने जीवन का उत्सर्ग किया, जिन्होंने बिना संकोच माता पिता, स्त्री संतान, भाई बहन, यहाँ तक कि देश को भी छोड़ दिया और धन जन सबका बलिदान कर दिया। आज उनकी तपस्या और तप का ये फल है, हम इस दिन को देख।
Okay, you have to identify him. Who is the speaker? You have to identify the speaker. Your time start now. You have to identify the speaker name. Who is the speaker? It was a historic speech. Answer is our first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The second question, and I'm going to play.
Last New Year I issued a red alert, and the dangers I mentioned still persist. These are anxious times for many, and our world is undergoing a stress test. Climate change is running faster than we are. Geopolitical divisions are deepening, making conflicts more difficult to resolve, and record numbers of people are moving in search of safety and protection. Inequality is growing, and people are questioning a world in which a handful of people hold the same wealth as half of humanity. Intolerance is on the rise, trust is on the decline, but there are also reasons.
Now you have to identify the speaker. Your time start now, and your time is running. Your time is up. That is UN Secretary Antonio Guterres. His speech is on the 2019 New Year message. That is third question. I'm going to play. This theme song. Which movie this audio track is associated? Your time start now. And your time is over. And that track is associated to Swadesh movie. Next question, that is question number 4.
सुन रहा है ना, रो रहा हूँ मैं,
Okay, now question is you have to identify the singer in this song. सुन रहा है ना तू. You have to identify the singer. Your time is start now. And your time is over. And he's Ankit Tiwari. है ना तू. Okay, next question is question number 5. Okay, you have to tell which movie associated with this track. That track was associated with which movie? Your time is running. And your time is over. And the correct answer is movie To State. That is by Arjun Kapoor. And next question is question number 6. Okay, you have to identify the track associated to which famous actor. That track is associated to which famous actor. Track जिस मूवी से लिया गया है उस मूवी का लीड एक्टर कौन है. Your time is running. And your time is over. And that track is associated to Lagan movie. Actor is Amir Khan. Amir Khan is the correct answer. Next question is question number 7. I am going to play the audio. Listen.
जीव नदी पर्वत रोके चीरे घाटी धार समय की रुकना कल कल अविरल बहती जाती प्राण नदी जीव नदी.
Okay, now it's question time. Who is the lyricist of this song? इस गाने के गीतकार कौन है? Time start now. Okay, your time is over. That the correct answer is Manoj Muntasir. Answer is the movie Bahubali: The Beginning. And the next question is question number 8. Identify the track. to identify that signature tune is associated to which institution. Your time start now. Okay, your time is over, and that signature tune is associated to Akashvani or All India Radio. Question number 9.
पहला ऑब्सेशन है लोगों का क्रिकेट। आप जितना भी क्रिकेट दिखाएं लोगों को कम पड़ेगा। लोगों ने कहा IPL आएगा, ख़त्म हो जाएगा, मगर क्रिकेट इज़ समथिंग दैट द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन। दूसरी चीज़ जो है भारत में वो है बॉलीवुड। आप असम से लेकर के गुजरात तक आए, मगर वो बॉलीवुड का जो एक इम्पैक्ट होता है वो जो बॉलीवुड के चाहने वाले हैं वही समझते हैं। मैं बहुत बॉलीवुड नहीं देखता, मगर मुझे भी मानना पड़ेगा कि बॉलीवुड हैज़ अ सर्टेन पुल। और तीसरी जो चीज़ है भारत में वो है तर्क, यानी कि डिबेट। मैं डिबेट में विश्वास रखता हूँ।
Okay, now you have to identify this famous news anchor. आपको पहचानना है इस आवाज में वो फेमस न्यूज एंकर कौन है। Your time start now. Your time is over, and he is nothing but Arnab Goswami. Presently, he is leading Republic Bharat channel. Your question number 10. I am going to play the audio.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तान। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना।
You have to identify the singer name. Who sings this song? And your time start now. Okay, that is Shankar Mahadevan. That is Shankar Mahadevan, famous singer Shankar Mahadevan. If your answer is Shankar Mahadevan, then you will get 10 points. Now, that is the end of round 4, that is audio round. I hope you will enjoy this round. So keep watching and stay tuned with us for next round.